Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and I love Stranger Things. I have heard about the show for a long time. I've seen the actors and actresses on the Ellen show and things like that. Lots of my friends watch it, but I had never watched it until a friend of mine here on YouTube posted some artwork, and I was like, I've never seen this show. And then people are like, you really need to watch the show. So now I'm on season 3, and I love it. Anyways, I am so excited to be unboxing, I guess, and playing with or showing you guys a couple goodies that I've recently gotten. And one thing is a giveaway that I won through Shiningstarsoup. She is phenomenal. I don't know if she has ever said her real name on her videos. I think she has, but just in case she hasn't, I'm not going to say it either, but I will link her channel down below. She's beautiful, she's encouraging of others, she is sincere, she is really supportive of other people. I love her so much. So she was doing a Pretty Vulgar giveaway, and I happened to win, and I just received my package. So I'm going to use my little handy-dandy scissors. I'm kind of scared to open this with scissors, but hopefully everything will be okay. I actually have been getting really lucky with stuff lately. I had recently won another palette on another channel. I won a $50 gift card. I've been kind of on a little bit of a good streak, which is thankful and I'm happy with because I've been a little bit of a mess lately. Sorry if that was really loud. And she shipped this all the way from Canada, which I think is so super cool. And I've actually been meeting a whole lot of my beautiful YouTubers here from Canada. So I think that's really neat. We'll get in here sometime, guys. And I will do probably like a full face tutorial. I have a ton of stuff, as you guys know, that I always try to wait and do like first impressions on and stuff. So I will save these for that because I have a couple other goodies to show. This is so exciting. Okay. So there is a card. I love cards. That's something that a lot of people I think kind of take that for granted, but every card I've ever gotten, you guys, I have it. And I mean, I still have cards from 12, 15, 20 years ago. And it says, thank you for being so nice, dearest Riri. Thank you so much for being so supportive, beautiful, and inspirational. I will always support and adore you, Shiningstarsoup. That's so sweet. I love stuff like this. So it has the Pretty Vulgar On Point liquid eyeliner pen, which I think that looks so cool. And then the Pretty Vulgar My Lips Are Sealed, and this is a liquid lipstick in the shade 104, which is like a beautiful kind of deeper mauve mauve nude tone. It has a cute little nail file. I use nail files like they're going out of business, y'all. And the Pretty Vulgar Pretty Birdie eyeshadow palette, and I will show you what that looks like. We got a Pretty Vulgar palette in our BoxyCharm a long time ago, but it was more like cool tones, which are not really my vibe. And this one is stunning. This is absolutely beautiful. I am so grateful. This is so generous, and I cannot wait to announce my giveaway once I hit my 500 subs, which is very, very soon and coming around the corner, and I'm so excited. I love doing giveaways. I love being generous and just doing for other people. I actually just bought a lot of stuff so that I can start doing like little giveaways and random act of kindness things and stuff like that in my Facebook group. Like I said, I'm really trying to get back into kind of being me again and feeling, you know, confident and comfortable and stuff again. So thank you so much to Miss C Word. I'm super excited. Yeah, please check out her channel. She is really an amazing human being. She is so supportive, and I know people say that sometimes and they're like, oh yeah, I'm going to be supportive, I'm going to watch you. Like, I know that I have a shit mouth sometimes, and I know that I'm not everybody's cup of tea. I get that. But I'm never expected by the people that are my true followers and supporters. I hate saying followers, that word sucks. But by my true beauty family members, I'm never expected to change, and I respect the hell out of y'all because I know that I'm not for everybody. I'm a fat chick with colored hair and tattoos, and I cuss like a sailor, and it's okay. But I feel like this. I want to be genuinely liked for who I am, not liked and admired for something that I'm not, for like a fake persona of who I could be. This is me. This is the real me. And so I appreciate it. I appreciate you so much, Shiningstarsoup, and thank you, thank you, thank you. I will 100% be doing a full face get ready with me with new items, and I will be using your products. So thank you again so much. So I know this is going to be a short and sweet one, so I also wanted to show just a couple of the little palettes that I've gotten recently that I'm really excited also to try out. And the first one is from Luminous, and they do like the Luminous airbrush system. This is called the Loves. I don't know what VI means. I'm a dumb. But there's a safety pin stuck to it. But this is 6 high pigment eyeshadows, and it has the brush in it. They are cruelty free, and I actually got this like 3 months ago, and I've still yet to even like swatch it or do anything with it. So I just wanted to show you guys. I love the concept of this. It reminds me of the Tarte, if I can get in the damn thing, of the Tarte like on the go pro palettes and stuff like that. It has that kind of like beautiful rubberized like matte texture to it. It is absolutely fucking stunning. I mean, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then it's magnetized on both sides and then opens straight out. I'm just going to let that fall down. So that is what she looks like. And I think they're beautiful. Super beautiful. I did swatch this one and this one. I'm going to show you guys. They feel incredible. Like I get excited about palettes, but I am like overly excited about trying this palette right here. You guys know I don't really base judgments on swatches, but that is what those two look like. I think this is a super beautiful palette, and a friend of mine sells the Luminous stuff, so she actually gave me a little coupon code to be able to use for this, so I didn't have to pay a whole lot for it. So I will be also doing a full video using my airbrush system and using this palette. I'm so freaking excited about this palette. I'm not going to use that brush. That's just tiny. And yeah, no. But anyways, the palette is stunning and is beautiful, and I cannot wait to show you guys what looks like Create with it. And next, I saw this on Porcelain. I love Porcelain so much. I've watched her for years. She was originally from North Carolina, and I clicked instantly with her. She doesn't know her, but we're best friends. But she had done this palette right here from Chantilly Cosmetics, and it Suns Out, Buns Out. I think this is so Chantilly. I hope I'm saying that right. Chantilly, yes. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. If I'm butchering you, I'm sorry. So that is what it looks like. Just the packaging alone was like enough to make me want to buy this. But get ready for it, y'all. Get ready for it. As soon as she opened this palette, I almost shit on myself. Because this is my color story, my theme, my heart, my soul. I live for a warm tone palette, y'all. Like live. I live for anything that's kitschy and cutesy and fun and stuff like that. And I'm sorry, but what more could you ask for? Absolutely stunning. They are a cruelty-free brand. I did start following them on Instagram and got the palette as well. The palette was $20. I am uber excited to play with this palette. And I have a feeling if it is as good as she said it is, with these colors and stuff, I have a feeling it's going to be one of my holy grail palettes. I absolutely love warm tone palettes. Like for all year too. So that is it. Again, I know that I've been rambling a lot and maybe seeming a little bit awkward. When I don't do this for a little while and I get back into it, I'm like who am I? Like, you know, I feel like I'm a fish out of water. But I'm really excited to play with all my Pretty Vulgar products and to check out these palettes and to use the airbrush system. I have a lot of really fun videos that I'm planning. Again, I'm sorry, I have to film when my mind kind of allows me to and my body kind of allows me to. And I have a couple challenges that I was tagged in on YouTube as well, so I'm really trying to get to those. So just bear with me, y'all, and thank you so much. I appreciate you immensely. Thank you again, Shiningstarsoup. I love you and I adore you so much. Please go check out her channel. She will be linked below. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video at all, or you just like me a little bit, I'm cool with either one, then hit the thumbs up, please. And subscribe to my channel. If you tap the notification bell, I'd be even more grateful and thankful. And please always remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.